If you're dreaming of giving your porch or patio a charming spring refresh, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're diving into a cozy, farmhouse-inspired makeover filled with clever DIYs, rustic flair, and best of all, it won't cost a fortune. It's time to say hello spring in the most beautiful, budget-friendly way. Seasonal decorating isn't just about adding florals and pastel colors, it's about setting a mood that invites spring right to your doorstep. Refreshing your outdoor space creates a welcoming extension of your home, one that captures the energy of the season, new beginnings, longer days, and cozy moments outdoors. First things first, start with a clean slate. Clear out the clutter, sweep off those winter leaves, and give everything a good wash down. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and more inspiring your space feels when it's fresh and ready for something new. Let's talk color. Begin with a simple, neutral palette, creamy whites, soft beige, or gentle gray. Then layer in those spring favorites, sage green, dusty rose, or robin's egg blue. These hues are timeless and calming, giving that relaxed farmhouse vibe without needing a total overhaul. Instead of buying all new pieces, go on a treasure hunt. Thrift stores, garage storage, or even your attic may have what you need. With a little elbow grease, maybe some sanding or a coat of chalk paint, you can breathe new life into an old bench or vintage chair. It's all about that upcycled charm. Want a custom rug? Make your own. Use a canvas drop cloth or old fabric, then add stripes, fringe, or a stencil pattern. It's a simple project that grounds your space and adds texture without spending a dime on pricey outdoor rugs. Create a cozy seating spot with a mix of materials: wood, wicker, even a little metal. Add throw pillows, soft blankets, and don't be afraid to use crates or stools for a lived-in, welcoming feel. It's farmhouse style, relaxed and layered. Textiles are your secret weapon. Use vintage quilts, crochet throws, or ticking stripe pillows in spring tones. Not only do they add warmth, they invite your guests to sit back and stay a while. Most can be found secondhand or made at home with love. A simple wooden sign goes a long way. Reclaimed wood, a little paint, and a warm greeting like "Gather Here" or "Hello Spring" instantly sets the tone. It's personal, it's handmade, and it's practically free. Nothing says spring like flowers. Mix real blooms with high-quality faux for a full, layered look. Use vintage pitchers, mason jars, or galvanized buckets for that extra farmhouse touch. Tulips, daisies, and eucalyptus are all perfect choices. Don't forget the vertical space. Hang planters from railings or walls using wire baskets or macrame hangers. Even repurposed tins can become beautiful herb containers. It's all about adding height and softness to your setup. Bring in raw, rustic wood with crates, side tables, or even a chopped tree stump. These earthy elements ground the space and pair beautifully with fresh greenery, pulling that farmhouse look together. Now let's light it up. Lanterns with LED candles, cafe string lights, or even mason jar fairy lights instantly elevate your patio for evenings outdoors. Group them by the door or scatter them around for a magical glow that lasts long after sunset. Leaning wooden ladders are your new best friend. Paint them, distress them, or leave them natural. Then hang wreaths, planters, or throws. They take up barely any room, but add big farmhouse character. Craft a spring wreath that's all you. Use grapevine, greenery, and florals, then personalize with ribbon, a chalk tag, or your family name. Hang it on the front door and let it be your cheerful hello to every guest. Stack wooden crates to create charming nooks for plants, candles, or cute baskets. They're cheap, flexible, and give your space instant depth. Bonus, they're easy to rearrange whenever inspiration strikes. Use a mix of faux greenery and real herbs or succulents. The faux gives volume with no fuss, and the real plants add scent and freshness. This combo keeps things lush and low maintenance. For those personal farmhouse touches, repurpose what you have: old watering cans, enamel pitchers, even antique window frames. You don't need much. A few well-placed items tell a beautiful story. Add art with personality. A rustic sign, a chalkboard with rotating quotes, or framed printables you love. These tiny pieces make a big impact and reflect your unique style. If you have an outdoor table, give it a spring vibe. Add a gingham runner, mix-match dishes, and a vase of wildflowers. Whether it's coffee in the morning or dinner under the stars, make it feel special. Tuck in vintage garden tools, a weathered wheelbarrow, or cute plant markers. They blur the line between decor and garden and make your porch feel like a true extension of the outdoors. Let's talk lighting again, because ambience is everything. String up fairy lights, set out solar path lights, or drop some glow jars around your seating area. It's simple, enchanting, and sets the mood just right. Even tiny patios can be magical. Define zones with rugs, planters, or furniture placement. A reading nook here, a little dining area there. It makes your outdoor space feel thoughtful, cozy, and complete. Engage the senses. Hang a wind chime for a peaceful sound, light a citrus or lavender candle, and play your favorite soft playlist in the background. Spring is about more than looks, it's about feeling renewed. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own farmhouse porch makeovers in the comments. Here's to a beautiful, cozy season ahead.